Hi all, let's create a poster for Instagram with Canva AI in less than 5 minutes. You can find Canva AI button on the left side panel. Click on it. The next step in our process is to share your idea with Canva AI. Here I am creating an Instagram portrait with a width of 1080 pixels and a height of 1350 pixels. The purpose of the poster is to conduct a walk-in interview. The poster title is Walk-in Interview for IT Freshers. Once you finish the typing, click on the Submit button. Canva AI has generated 4 poster designs for your review. You can click on any design to preview it and further customize it within Canva Editor. Click on the Canva Editor button for further customization of the poster. As you can see, the poster is open in the Canva Editor. Here you can change the text, text color, text size, change font, and change the image. Here I am going to change the avatar image with an IT professional image. For that, click on the Elements button and search for an IT professional. You can resize the image if required. To remove the background from the image, click on the BG Remover button. If you want to add text effects, click on the Effects button and select one from it. Our poster is now ready to download. Click on the File menu and select Download. That's it. Thank you for watching.